Are you looking for the best Samsung dryer heating elements in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Samsung dryer heating elements that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Asdel heating element for Samsung dryer. The Asdel DC47000019A Samsung dryer heating element is made with superior materials that extend its lifespan. The ceramic standoff insulator secures the coil with a 95% nickel chromium content to the galvanized sheet, making it highly corrosion resistant. The heating element wire is 25% longer than other dryer wires, increasing the resistance by 65% and producing stable heating. It is compatible with various Samsung dryer models and other brands like LG, Maytag, Sears, Kenmore, KitchenAid, and Roper. The Asdel heating element is easy to install and comes with a clear user manual and online customer service team to assist you. Up next in the 4th place is the SUMNEW Samsung dryer heating element upgrade. This is a Samsung dryer heating element upgrade kit from SUMNEW that includes a DC47000019A heating element, a DC96008887A temperature fuse, a DC47000018A thermostat, and a DC47000016A temperature fuse. The heating element is made of a durable nickel chromium composite material with a 95% content, and its wire is 25% longer than other dryer wires, which increases its resistance by 65% and makes it more heat resistant. The heating element is compatible with several Samsung dryer models, as well as LG, Maytag, Sears, Kenmore, KitchenAid, and Roper brands. The kit solves common heating problems in Samsung dryers, such as the dryer not starting, and it comes with a user manual and online customer service support. The kit is easy to install, and DIY beginners can complete the installation in 30 minutes. However, users should wear gloves during the operation and ensure that the coil does not touch other parts to avoid short circuit. SUMNEW offers excellent customer service, including a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Customers can contact their 24-hour online service team with any questions. The 3rd product on our list is the DC47000019A dryer heating element kit for Samsung. This product is a dryer heating element kit for Samsung, LG, Maytag, Whirlpool, Sears, Kenmore, KitchenAid, and Roper dryers, which includes a heating element, a dryer thermistor temperature sensor, a high-limit thermostat, a dryer thermal fuse, and a thermal fuse, dryer high-limit thermal fuse, thermostat. The heating element is made of high nickel chromium content coil and galvanized steel for support, which heats up quickly and evenly and has a spiral-tight design that is 30% longer than other dryer coils, increasing resistance by more than 70%. It is easy to install and can fix problems like no heat or not enough heat, takes too long to dry clothes, shuts off too soon, timer not advance, etc. The product is not suitable for gas dryers. The kit comes with a 180-day replacement or full refund promise. The product is highly anti-corrosion, durable, and has a high performance with low power consumption. However, during installation, one should avoid letting the nickel chromium wire of the heating wire contact the shell and ensure that the connecting wire of the thermostat is not loose. Second on our list is the BlueStars heating element kit for Samsung. This is a full kit set that includes a DC47000019A dryer heating element, DC47000018A dryer thermostat, and a DC96008887A dryer thermal fuse with a bracket. The heating element is made of high-quality metal and contains heating wire coils that have a nickel chromium content reaching 85% for generating heat effectively in your dryer. This kit is designed to fit most top-name brands such as Samsung and Kenmore and replaces original parts. Finally, the top product on our list is the ForeverPRO DC47000019A heating element for Samsung. Looking for a high-quality heating element replacement for your dryer? Look no further than the ForeverPRO dryer heating element, part number DC47000019A, which replaces Whirlpool 35,001,247. This premium heating element is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications for quality and performance, ensuring that your dryer works as efficiently as possible. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.